Hello, Lemon and Lime, and it's currently 12:12 in the morning. Lemon is being weird. I have to wear one of her shirts. It makes me look fat.
You are fat! Hi, I'm Rudy the Rude Fist. Ew! Stop
Ow!
it! Rudy just beat you up.
I'm gonna cut Rudy off that wrist. Wow, that was loud.
Hi, I'm Lassie Rudy's cousin.
Hi. I'm gonna...
Ah! It's the Lemon and Lime Show. The Lemon and Lime Show.
Do you like the heart on my cheek that you can't see anymore?
Lemon and Lime Show. It's a theme song. Yeah.
My side hurts.
Actually, my side hurts.
Your side hurts. Your side hurts.
If you haven't realized by now, I'm talking through my hand because I'm too lazy to sit up. That was rude. That was rude. Ah! Have you ever noticed how like those movie shows or whatever?
Yes.
When they're mad, they're like.
Ooby! This is gonna be Ooby for a minute. I have to move out of the... I won't get out of it. Okay.
Hey,
What's up?
you're ugly.
So are you.
That was mean.
It was very mean.
That was so mean.
It was very mean.
Let's go eat some chocolate.
Why? So you can get fatter? What?
Shut up.
Ignore the head, little children. It is not a head. It
Shut
is
up.
a wig.
Shut up.
You don't have hair. I'm the defective hand. We'll name it Mercury.